actually was obsessively looking on Trulia, trying to find homes before we even came out here.
And I had gone to the App Store and found Trulia, expecting to get a voicemail with David, and he answered live. So I was like, oh, I was expecting a voicemail message.
We met David through the internet.
What Kindred and David brought to the table was very unique. His approach was one with honesty, one with integrity, and one that served our best interests.
So he spent the time with me, listened to what I had to say.
I was really impressed with the command that he had of the county.
Amazing, honest, I don't know, it's just full service.
The phenomenal ideas he came up with on personalized and high-end advertising for my home was incredible.
Incredible.
1 out of 10, I give it a 12.
Gave us some real comfort in the process.
I felt like David was friendly, he was knowledgeable. I was calling him the triple threat.
He got us top dollar for our home and he sold it within 1 week. And in the market at the time, that was unheard of.
He staged our house for us. He helped us with the repairs. He stopped us from making repairs that were unnecessary.
We made significantly more money selling through David Rudd.
David's a professional. He's very good at what he does.
So much more unique than we could have ever had hoped to have achieved with another firm.
And stress-free, which we love.
Very well respected in the dog modeling world.